Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve some problems in chemical bonding and molecular structure. Okay, now let us see the first question. Okay, see the first question, the bond order of N2 plus molecule is dash. Okay, so we have to find out the bond order. So bond order means before that you must know how many electrons present in N2 plus molecule. You know, one nitrogen, 7 electrons, here 2 nitrogen, 14 electrons. The total electrons in N2 plus is what? Total electron, you know that, total electrons in, okay, total electrons in N2 plus, that is what? We have 13 only, isn't it correct or not? Okay, so N2 we have 14 electrons, but N2 plus means what? We have 1 electron will be lost, so we have 13 electrons. That 13 electron only we have to fill up here. Understood? Here, I have given the orbitals. You just memorize all this orbital: sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px, pi 2py, sigma 2pz. Understood? So now we are going to fill up this 13 electrons in this orbital. After that only we can find out the bond order. Understood? So here you know that each and every orbital we have maximum 2 electrons are there. So here here we can fill up 2 electrons. Understood? Here also 2 electrons, here also 2 electrons, here also 2 electrons. Here these two orbitals having equal energy. So here also we can put 2 electrons. Understood? Okay. Then sigma 2pz also we have 2 electrons. But we have what? But we have 13 electrons only there. So here we can put what? Only 1 electron. Understood? You count all this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, this is the way to fill up the electrons. Then what's the, the bond order formula is what? Bond order formula. Bond order is equal to, that 1 by 2 NB minus N of A. NB minus N of A. This is a formula. Isn't it? You know that. Understood? NB means, this is called NB, bonding molecular orbital. In bonding molecular orbitals, how many electrons? In NB, you know that, N of B, okay, N of B, you know that, how many electrons here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, isn't it? So this is called, number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals is what? 9. No, if you have any star means this is called anti-bonding. So here 2, here 4. So there are 4 electrons in anti-bonding. So here 4. Just substitute here. So 1 by 2. Understood? So 9 minus 4 we have what? 5 by 2. Isn't it? 5 by 2. Nothing but we can say 2.5. Are you following? Understood? So if you know these orbitals arrangements, we can easily find out the bond order. So formula also you must know, very easy formula. So answer will be what? So B is the correct one. Are you following? Okay, next one. See the second one, the hybridization of sulfur in SO4 minus. Hybridization of sulfur in SO4 minus. So how to find it means here, that first you add all the valence electron for sulfur, For sulfur, we have how many sulfur? We have only 1 sulfur. So 1 into its valence electron is what? 6. So 1 into 6, 6. Then oxygen, how many oxygen we have? We have 4 oxygen. No, we have 4 oxygen. So 4 into, this valence electron is also 6. So we have what? 24. That. Then if you this is SO4 minus, no, it's anion. Anion means add the charge. Understood? So here minus 2. So minus 2 means you put what? Plus 2. Anion means add the charge. Cation means subtract the charge. Now you can add all this. You get what? 30. Simple one. 32. Isn't it correct or not? 32. So this is we have one rule is there. If you have more than 8 electrons, you can divide by what? 8. So then only we have quotient. Quotient is what? We have 4 is obtained. 4 means what? 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital. Nothing but what? This is called what? What kind of hybridization? We can say sp3 hybridization. So among the option B is the correct one. Understood? Are you following? Simple. Okay. If there is no remainder, it means we need to find out. But if you have remainder, means we have other method we have to follow. Understood? Right. Next question. This is also based on molecular orbital question. You know, the bond order of 1.0 is shown by, so which they are asking which molecule having 1.0. Okay. Okay. So each and every molecule we have to find out. So I am going to find out the correct only. Okay. So you know that I am going to find out this one, that is O2. You know, I am taking this molecule. You know, O2 2 minus. How many electrons here? In O2 means 16 electron. 2 minus means 16 plus 2. We have what? How many electron? 18 electron. That 18 electron only we have to fill up here. Understood? Okay. So how to fill up means here, you know that as usual, you know that each and every orbitals we have two electrons are there. Understood? We can fill up like this. Okay. Understood? How many times we 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. Okay, 14. Correct or not? Understood? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So we fill the electrons like this. Understood? Now you know that you know number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital and number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding means, you know, no star symbol is there. That's called bonding. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10 only, isn't it? So that 10. If you have any star symbol means it's called anti-bonding. Here star symbol, no. 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 8 electrons. Understood? So here, you know, what's the formula for bond order? Bond order is equal to, as usual, 1 by 2 NB minus N of A. Understood? Okay, you just substitute the value. So 1 by 2 NB is what? You know, 10 minus 8. That's all simple. You know, 2 by 2, answer will be what? 1. So they are asking which molecule having 1.0. So I found out only the answer correctly. Okay, but examination we have to find out all other answers, then only we can able to choose the correct one. Understood? Okay. So understood, are you following? So you must know these arrangements, then only we can able to find out. Very simple. Next one. Which of the following are isostructural? Iso means, you know, same. Understood? Iso means what? Same. So simply remember, same geometry as well as same number of electron, same geometry, same hybridization. This is called what? Isostructural. Understood? So here I am going to find out which compounds having same structure. So same number of electron. If we get same number of valence electron means automatically this is same isostructural. Okay, compound. Okay. See, each and every one we have to find out. But I am going to find out the only one thing, that is called D only I am going to find out. How to find out means, you know, just like this you can find out other molecule also. You do yourself. Okay. So I am going to find out BrO3 minus and xenon O3. Are you following? Okay. So here first you add the valence electron. So add valence electrons, you know, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are all halogens. So all the halogens having 7 valence electron. You know, for you take for bromine, only one bromine. So 1 into valence electron is what? 7. So what? 7. For oxygen, you know, 3 into valence electron, you know, 16. So what? We have 18. Minus means what? Anion means add the charge. Minus means add the charge. Plus 1. Start following. Anion means add the charge. So we get what? We get 26. That or not? Okay. Then come to xenon, this molecule. Xenon is, you know, there is, you know, all the inert gases having